Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we'll be diving into an essential element for enhancing user experience and SEO on your WordPress site. If you are not familiar with breadcrumbs or want to learn how to set them up, then you are in the right place. Let's get started. Before we go straight up into the setup process, let's understand what breadcrumbs are. Breadcrumbs are navigational aids displayed on websites so that users can see their current location within the site's hierarchy. A typical example is SEMrush's blog. On this particular blog post, SEO for a new website, 9 essential steps, we can observe that exactly underneath the navigation, we have 2 links there, advanced SEO and tactics and troubleshooting. These links display the hierarchy of the category where we can find this post. To interpret this hierarchy, it says this post is found under the tactics and troubleshooting category, and we can find this under the advanced SEO menu. So in order to add a breadcrumb navigation link to your site, you can do this in several ways using the NavXT plugin or an SEO plugin like RankMath. On your website admin login dashboard, head on to RankMath SEO, then click on General Settings. There you see breadcrumbs, click on it, then enable breadcrumb function. Choose the particular separator character you like. We'll go with this. This should be enabled, and this. Then we'll save changes. After saving changes, we'll copy this PHP code right here. There are 2 of them here, this or the short code. Let's go with this one at the top. We'll copy and then head on to Appearance, Theme File Editor. When you get here, you want to make sure that this particular selected theme is the theme you are using currently on your site. So leave this at Salient and then head over to Header PHP, which is where we'll paste our code we copied. Scroll down and here you see PHP. Just paste this above it, then update file. Successfully updated. So let's head on to our site and check it out. Let's check one of the blog posts. Select this. So we can see that the breadcrumb is successfully displayed on our blog post, home category, then thoughtful DIY ideas that shows okay. This is our particular blog post topic. The second method is applicable if you are using Astra as your theme. Head on to plugins on your WordPress admin dashboard. Add new. And then search for breadcrumb NavXT. So this is the particular plugin we're looking for. We install and activate the plugin. Then head over to Appearance. Now mind you, you can still go further to customize the settings of the breadcrumb NavXT plugin, but the default setting is quite okay for you to install the breadcrumb. So click on Appearance and under Appearance, Customize. So we can see the display of how it will show. We'll click on breadcrumb here. Now this is a display or a preview of how the breadcrumb will be added. Let's view this with a particular blog post, so it will be prominent. So here it's saying inside the header position, inside the header position. If we have this at none, then the breadcrumb will not be displayed. Inside the header position, after the header position, so where is displayed, then I think the last there is before title. So you see it's closer to our title. Then you can choose the separator. Let's use this commonly used one. You can choose to move your breadcrumb to the center of your page or to the right hand side, but let's leave it here for the purpose of this video. Now you can go ahead to customize the setup, but this is quite okay. Don't forget to hit publish when you are done. Now let's check this and see. So we can see how our breadcrumb is displayed on this particular blog post. It is important to note that the setup process for the NavXT breadcrumb varies for different themes, but for the case of this video, I used the Astra theme. Now, if you were to be using other themes like Salient theme, it would prompt you to copy some codes, some set of codes to add to the header section of the page or your website, just like we did in the case of RankMath. There are situations where breadcrumbs may not be very necessary or may not fit the design of the website. For very simple or single level websites, breadcrumb may not add much value. Ultimately, the decision to include breadcrumbs should be based on your understanding of your users and the complexity of your website structure. Congratulations! If you stayed up to this time, you would have been successfully able to install your breadcrumb on your WordPress website. By incorporating this user-friendly feature, you are not only enhancing the overall experience for your website visitor, but also providing search engines with valuable information about your site structure. Thanks for watching up to now, and in case you have not subscribed to our channel, please do and give this video a thumbs up. See you in our next video.